If you're a copywriter or you're at least trying to become a copywriter or interested in becoming one, without trying to scare you too much, I think your chances of a long-term success are extremely slim. And that is coming from the biggest copywriting creator on the entire platform of YouTube. I have the most viewed video that's even on here. I've coached tons, hundreds of copywriters, and I've gotten a lot of them to 10K per month and even more before as well. So if I'm telling you this, then you know that it's true. Now, that doesn't mean that all hope is lost, because there's a very specific set of actions that you can do in order to salvage whatever you are right now. You can still make tons and tons of money, but you just have to do things a little bit differently. For example, think about photography back in 2010. Everybody thought that this industry was completely safe because everybody needed a professional photographer to do things like birthdays, weddings, events, and then smartphones got really, really good cameras. And of course, Instagram happened as well. And now suddenly everyone was a photographer, so the demand for good photography went down a lot. The market was flooded with people offering cheap photos. But the photographers who survived didn't compete on price. Instead, they became better and they became more specialized, actually charging more and making even more money. They became luxury wedding experiences. And portrait photographers became personal brand strategists. What they really did is they focused on skills that somebody's phone couldn't just replace. And I will say that copywriting is having a smartphone moment right now. The skill is not dead, but the old application is what's dying fast. There are three massive shifts that I see happening in the market right now. Most copywriters are panicking, but the smart ones that are going to make the most amount of money, they are the ones using this shift to actually go out and get more clients and better clients. And again, as proof of this, I have a whole playlist on this very channel of people who are crushing it with copywriting. Even just last week, posted people making 40K per month, people making 16K per month, et cetera, et cetera. And it's all because they implemented the things I'm going to show you here in this video. The first shift is that AI made the skill of just copywriting completely worthless. Now look, I'll be the first person to tell you that humans can write better copy than AI, period. But the truth is that it just matters a lot less than most people realize. Because at the end of the day, if the copy makes the sale, then it works. It doesn't really matter how quote unquote good it is. If it works, then it works. And AI can write good enough copy, but at a way higher capacity than a human could do. AI can write 50 emails in an hour. And most businesses will do just fine with that, because while it might not be the best copy you've ever seen, businesses are just fine with good enough copy. Because as long as they have a really good offer and a huge audience or a huge buyer demographic that really want it, then the copy is just kind of something that slightly affects it. Does that mean that you are screwed? No, not even close. But it does mean that if your main offer is I write emails, then you're about to get priced out by a $20 a month ChatGPT subscription. But the caveat is that it's not completely dead. You see, there are a few people that I've even talked to on this very channel, like JPEth, for example, who makes 10K per month, literally just writing emails. It is out there and it does happen, but still, you're not going to want to bet on it. You don't want to put all of your eggs in this one basket of just emails, because the majority of the time, the copywriters who are actually making bank, they're not just writing. They're usually the ones that understand email deliverability. They're the ones who can set up automations, who can set up funnels, who understand marketing as a whole. In short, they're doubling down on the things that AI just simply can't do. The second huge change going into 2026 is a big industry shift. So I used to highly recommend what used to, of course, work for me back in 2022, 2023, 2024, and that was being a copywriter for info marketing businesses. This is called lots of things, like education businesses, etc. Some people go ahead and just call them like course sellers. These are guys like your dating coaches, your affiliate marketing coaches, I'll show you how to make money online coaches. And the big problem in 2026 is that trust is just very low in the market. So these guys are just making a lot less and their businesses aren't as hot as they were back in 2023 and 2024. And on top of that, there's so many people that got pumped into the market because of things like Alex Hormozi putting out School, which is a software platform where you can go and create your own paid community. And then Iman Ghazi did basically the exact same thing with his business WAP. And there's just so many of these paid communities and coaching programs or whatever it is that people are trying to sell that the demand isn't really there. And so many people have already gotten burned by buying these before and then having it be something completely lame. Because most of these businesses just have very uninspired products. Like you maybe get like a group coaching call per week and like some video courses, and they'll charge you like $6,000 for it. Just to put that into perspective, I offer something kind of similar where it's actually daily group coaching calls and hours upon hours, hundreds of hours of content. And it's just $3 a day. It's $99 per month. That's why I've been able to do so well and still have hundreds and hundreds of people want to hop into 40 Bootcamp. But a lot of these other businesses are just overcharging for something that other people are doing for a lot less. And of course, that leads to them just not getting as many results as they could, because now people are finally starting to realize, wait, why would I spend all of this money with this guy if he's not even really doing all that? The tried and true method used to be find find one of these coaching guys and sell them an email every single day. So daily emails, 30 emails a month for $3,000 per month. And that offer sold and it worked really, really well. And the math was really simple. They might have a $6,000 coaching program. You help them sell just like one extra or two extra coaching programs per month. And then all of a sudden you're worth it. You're already making them ROI. But of course, where there is an outflow of people, there's always going to be an inflow of people. And there are a couple of niches industries that are absolutely crushing it. And I didn't really quite realize how extreme this change was until I really looked back at the data. I noticed that all of my one-to-one students who were crushing it back in like 2023, 2024, most of them had info clients. But then in 2026, the ones who were crushing it, almost none of them had info clients, and all of them had clients that were in a different niche and industry that I'm going to be talking about here in a second. But first, to give some extra context, I want to go over the other huge market shift that I'm seeing, which is a huge change in application. Because you really just can't be an email guy anymore. You have to understand copywriting plus. You have to understand other things on top of copywriting so that you can really be a valuable asset to a business. I'll give you an example. I was speaking with George and I did a one-on-one interview with him not too long ago. He's at 16K per month. And he just closed Iman Gadzi, who is like literally the biggest infopreneur on the whole entire internet. And when he was outreaching to Iman, he didn't pitch emails. What he first pitched and talked about was actually email deliverability. If you don't know, that basically means that Iman was landing in promotions tab, which was lowering his open rate on his emails. So George made a pitch on how he could get Iman from the promotions tab to the primary tab, which would thus increase his open rate. And this is what actually got Iman to respond and his team to now take George seriously. And the reason why, because he wasn't offering the same thing that everybody else in the market is offering. Another student that I coach is getting paid $3K per month plus commissions on 30 ad creatives per month. All this really means is he's working for an e-commerce business. Now, e-commerce businesses need to run a ton of different types of ads so that they can see which one the market responds to best. So the more ads they run, the more different types they test, the better results they're going to get. So they might need to test 30 different ad creatives in a whole entire month. And now if one of them turns out to be a big winner, they're gonna make exponentially more money than they would have made otherwise. Completely different student that I have is selling $1,000 and $2,000 websites like crazy. And he's doing this mostly through referrals. So he has one client, he asks, hey, do you know any other e-commerce businesses that could use this? And they say yes. And they refer him to somebody else. Now he has this huge referral web of people. He is consistently making 4, 5, and 6K per month just by selling websites. And selling websites sounds really complicated, right? It sounds like you have to go in and know all this code and things. It's literally just drag and drop. It's extremely easy. And another student that I have works for a YouTube agency. They help other businesses build their YouTube channel so that they can get more clients. And he works for this agency and he is the one who actually does all of the fulfillment, meaning he writes the YouTube scripts for the businesses. So he's writing like 3 YouTube scripts every single day and getting paid, again, $3K per month just for that, with a potential of $4K per month as well. And that's just from one of his clients. So hopefully you see a pattern here. It's copy plus a different skill in a different application than just email. So look, if this is all making sense to you, but you want help implementing it, I got 2 options for you. The first is 40CI. This is a one-to-one mentorship program. You can go down below and click the link to apply. And the second is the 40 Bootcamp, which is what I was talking about earlier. It's $3 a day. You get group coaching calls and tons of content. Links are below if you want to learn more. And then finally, I want to talk about the industries that are actually really crushing it in 2026, because it's completely different than the ones who were crushing it in 2024 and 2025. And these are things that I've rarely, if ever, even talked about on my channel. So make sure you pay very, very close attention. First one is B2B, service-based, done for you businesses. Now, sounds complicated. That sounds super complex. It's just a more specific type of business. These are, in short, your agencies. And the reason why I say done for you is because this rules out consultants. Remember, trust in 2026 is super low. So if anyone says that you can pay me money to teach you how to do something, those usually don't do very well. You usually have to offer something that is actually done for them in order for that offer to do really well. This is something like, we will help you run Instagram ads to get more leads for your plumbing business. And then of course, when they are fulfilling, they're going to need somebody, which is going to be you, to write all the ads for their clients, or to write all the YouTube scripts for their clients, or to write all the LinkedIn posts for their clients. Another huge reason as to why this is so valuable is because of the referral power to them. Because if a business owner is selling to other business owners, then guess what? They have a whole web of other people that they can actually refer you to. And this happens so often. This is a way you can easily pad out your testimonials. People come to me every single day and say, Tyson, I haven't worked with any clients before, et cetera, et cetera. Like, how do I show social proof? What do I say? Dude, you work with one of these B2B clients and they have like 5 other clients that you're working for as well. You just went from 0 clients you've ever worked for to like 6 clients you worked for. And now it's way easier to get clients. On top of that, it also offers double opportunity. If they need you to write copy for their clients, they might need you to write copy for them as well so that they can get more clients. You're actually extremely useful in a B2B agency. Now, the second giant industry that is going to be crushing it in 2026 is going to be D2C or e-commerce. This is similar to the offer that I was talking about earlier, where you're creating 30 to 50 ad creatives for a business every single month, and you're making $3,000 to $5,000 per month in order to do this. And the main skill here isn't just writing the copy, but it's actually doing the research. Research is one of the other skills that you can add on top of copywriting in order to actually be extremely valuable. So what it looks like is you find 10 to 20 other ads in completely different industries that are crushing it, and then you create a similar type of ad for the business that you're working for. And again, you can use AI to actually do this so that the effort, the work that you're actually doing really isn't that much. You can get a $3,000, $5,000 per month client and fulfill for them in 10 to 20 hours a week, and that's it. And then lastly, for same e-commerce businesses, they actually really need emails as well. But not just the emails written and created, but the email systems built out, the automations, the flows, the software itself. And again, this sounds super techy and challenging, but it's really not. Because at the end of the day, these softwares that you're using are actually going to be making more money the easier it is, because nobody's going to pay for a software they don't use. So they're going to have all the tools to teach you exactly how to use them. And look, the copywriting industry is going to change whether you adapt or not. So you can either like panic about AI taking your job, give up, try something else that'll look easier, but at the end of the day, be harder anyways. Or you can use these shifts to your advantage to charge more and get more clients. Now, if you want help navigating this, again, the links below is where you can go and work with me personally. But I also have a whole other bunch of free courses on this very channel, like free email marketing courses, free outreach courses. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know in order to get your first client and start getting paid as a copywriter as soon as possible. So that's it for today. And of course, I'll see you guys on the next one.